Assalamu alaikum students. I am Humaira Tahir, your English teacher. Today we are going to start the exercises of unit number 9, that is all is not lost. You need to open your books and let's start first exercise, the comprehension questions. The first question is, why did the nurse ask Hera's sister to come and talk to her? The nurse asked Hera's sister to come and talk to her because she thought that on hearing the voice of near and dear one, her deadly neurons might activate and start working. Question number 2. Why did the nurse disagree with the doctor's point of view? The nurse disagreed with the doctor's point of view because she wanted to give her patient a chance by trying once more. Question number 3. Why did the nurse ask herself the question, could I be able to justify my stance before the senior doctors? The nurse was hopeful about the recovery of her patient, Hera. When she found that she was not making much recovery, she felt as helpless as her patient. Therefore, she asked herself if she could justify her stance before the senior doctors. Next question, describe some qualities of the nurse in the story. The nurse in the story appears to be very sincere, hardworking, and caring professional. She does not lose hope, but continues to work hard with patience as a true professional. Now, next question is, why did the nurse say, where there is a will, there is a way? The nurse believes in this in this saying that where there is a will, there is a way. See, she is of the opinion that we can achieve our objective if we continue to work with a view to finding a way out of our difficult situation. Okay. Now rearrange the sentences and make them in a correct sequence. Now here the sentences are given in a jumbled form and you have to arrange them according to the in the lesson the events that happened in the lesson in a sequence form. Now first of all, the second sentence, as a young professional I wish to save the world. Number 2, one day standing at the bedside of a young patient, I wondered if she could make the same recovery like others. Number 3 sentence, we do not have much hope for her. Number 4, the advice to leave the patient unattended did not seem right. I could not leave my patient fighting a lost battle on her own. One day I was thrilled to see her lift little finger, all was not lost. Thanks to Allah, she was my patient, standing and walking on her feet. I was proud to be a nurse. Now next exercise, match the column A with column B. Beside means at the side of. Ironic, conveying opposite sense. Made up, decided. Justify my stance, prove myself. Now next is identify the phrases and idioms in the unit and use them in the sentences. We'll do next after this exercise. Now we come to the C part. This is use the following words in sentences. First use as verbs and then as noun. The first word is care. She cares deeply about the environmental issues. Care as a noun. You should take care of your children. Walk. Walk as a verb. Walk through the gate. And walk as a noun. I go for a walk in the morning. Surprise as a verb. It has always surprised me how popular he is. Surprised as a noun. I have a surprise for you. Request as a verb. I request you to help me. And request as a noun. Your request for leave is rejected. Need as a verb. We need your help. And need as a noun. We are in need of a good teacher. State. It is stated that the murderer has murdered. She murdered her husband. State. The house is not in a good state. Understand? Now come to the next one. These are the idioms and phrases which are used in the lesson. So you must know the meanings, and also you have to make them use them in their own sentences. The first phrase is to save the world. To save the world means to help everyone. As you can make the sentence like this: Dr. Abdul Sattar Eidi spent his life to save the world. Read someone's mind means to understand someone. A psychologist can read someone's mind through counseling. To fight a lost battle means to try to get something nearly lost. The senior doctors advise the nurse not to fight a lost battle. Do one's best means to try one's best. We should try our best to secure good marks in the examination. To give a chance, to provide an opportunity. Everyone should be given a chance to prove himself. Next is an inner voice from inside the mind. Our inner voice guides us towards the right path. To make up one's mind means one's mind means to decide. He has made up his mind to change his profession. Frozen to the ground, to stand still. When the thief saw the police, his feet got frozen to the ground. Come around means to visit someone at home. Come around, we will play an interesting game. Bear the fruit to be successful. Work hard, always bear fruit. Where there is a will, there is a way. And you really, if you want to do something, you really find the way. If your will is stronger, where there is a will, there is a way. Next is compound prepositions. These are two or more words working together as one word, functioning as a preposition. For example, he couldn't attend the seminar because of his brother's marriage. Complete the following sentences using the compound prepositions here. Look at the first sentence. Dash my teacher, it is a great book. According to my teacher, it is a great book. Next. He had to retire because of ill health. I am standing in front of the school building. He is coming along with his friends. I am away from my home right now. He left for Sialkot instead of Lahore. Understand? Now write the past perfect continuous forms of the words given below. The structure of past perfect continuous is subject, then had as the helping verb, been, then base form ing, and then we have to use time is mentioned in these questions, this tense, so you have to use for and since. Now look here, Salim was sitting on the chair out of breath. So he had been running. We had been walking along the road for 20 minutes when a car stopped and the driver offered us a lift. Number 3, I had been doing my homework for 2 hours when my friend came. They had been taking exercise since morning. The Patient had been crying with pain when the doctor arrived. Understand? Now, up till now, we have completed the exercises of unit number 9, and you need to prepare these exercises for the next test next time. Okay? Allah Hafiz.